This summer we were delighted to introduce Mr. Jamie Hepburn, Minister for Further Education, Higher Education and Science of Scotland, to Sustainable Thinking Scotland and their academic collaborators. This fantastic social enterprise has a focus on environmentalism, sustainability and supporting the local community. They showed the Minister their innovative use of biochar, their social outreach programmes, and explained how Interface has helped these projects come to life through business-academic collaboration.
Well, it's been absolutely fantastic today to see everything that we've been supporting them with over the last 2 years in real life, and it's incredible what's been done here. As soon as I had a conversation with Sustainable Thinking Scotland, I could see the opportunity, I could see their ambition and where universities could really add value.
Before we even started this, we were just two guys in the middle of a farm trying to tell you that carbon's going to save the world, but Shelley managed to put us into the right people at the right time. So once you've got all the people in the right spaces, then it really helps. And the universities that we work with, like the University of Highlands and Islands and the University of Strathclyde, have been fantastic, at least in being able to explain to laymen how all the science works. Commercialisation isn't really what we're good at. The social stuff we're good at, so being able to have proper professionals with consultancy experience and an idea of how things should be launched and done is really a big benefit, and being able to turn the potential of biochar into the potential for more social projects that we've got going on down here.
A real opportunity for students to get to understand real companies. I think for a lot of times students are based on the theory, they understand how businesses work, they understand how companies might fail or succeed, but they don't get a chance to really see how it actually works, and particularly in social enterprise. And so far we've had our undergraduates and our MBA students working on them, but that's the tip of the iceberg. We feel there's far more. I think these opportunities for academics as well to learn how businesses really work and be involved with how these organisations operate in real life, not just on paper.
Well, it's really important that we make sure our universities, our colleges, our institutions are absolutely rooted in the communities they serve, and they serve that wider social purpose. So here we've got a perfect example of a wonderful social enterprise trying to support people in vulnerable circumstances, but also doing some wonderful creative and innovative research. And again, our universities, our colleges are well placed to work with them, to support them, and it's important that we have an interface such as Interface being able to corral that activity to link people up. So we're committed to making sure that we support that effort, support that endeavour, because we recognise it's so important.